some string constants. All right, so there are some constants that we like to use sometimes when coding over strings, and they are stored in the string module. And here they are. There are others. These are just some of them. When we run this, well, we see, there we go, that when we print out string ASCII letters, we get this string right here. These are the ASCII letters. ASCII is a code. It's rather old-fashioned, but it basically stands for um, the letters that can be represented in a standard keyboard such that you would buy in the United States. So there's our ASCII letters, and notice they're just letters. There's no punctuation or digits, just letters, lowercase and uppercase. You can also say ASCII lowercase, which gives you this string right here. We printed out the dash. ASCII uppercase, this string right here. String digits. This is not a number, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a string composed of the characters that correspond to the digits. Here's all the different kinds of punctuation in string.punctuation. String.printable is a collection of all the printable stuff, including this stuff here at the end that you can't see. There are characters that you can't see, space, tab, new line, and we call those white space. That comes from back in the day when stuff was printed on actual paper, typically white paper. So when you printed a space, what you saw was just the white paper, and that is why it's called white space. White space is still printable, so the printables include the white space characters. And finally, which are here, including that new line. And finally, string.whitespace is printed after these dashes, and it's here, you just can't see it because it's white space. That would be spaces, tabs, line feeds. So what are these useful for? Well, they provide, for instance, one way to do something for every single item of punctuation, for example. So you can have a character loop through string.punctuation, loop through all of these characters very easily without having to type them in. You just type in string.punctuation. To tell if something is one of these, you might say if the character is in this string. As we'll learn, though, there are methods that will do that for you that are probably a little cleaner. So it's not like these are the only way to code using these constants, but they're actually handy when you do want to use them. So you should know they are here.